Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this very simple egg recipe with you guys, and we're going to be enjoying it with dodo. Let's dive into it. In my pot, you can see my dodo is almost ready. You get your ripe plantain, peel it, cut it into your desired shape, heat up some sunflower oil. Then you fry the plantain. That is it. That's what you get. So I brought out my plantain, that's my dodo, and I'm going to be rough blending peppers, 2 cloves of garlic, and onions. And I'm using 13 eggs for this recipe. Heat up my pan, add in little bit of sunflower oil. That's the rough blend pepper mix. Pour it in. Fry it for 1 minute. About. Little bit of curry powder, little bit of salt, powder seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Put it together. And fry it together. This recipe came out so delicious. And I beat my egg. I didn't add salt to my eggs anymore. That seasoning in the sauce is just enough. And pour it in and reduce my fire and cook it just in a very low heat. And I want to appreciate you all. Thank you guys for watching and sharing my videos. You guys are so amazing, and I appreciate you. If you're coming across my videos for the first time, please don't forget to like and follow my page. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you. God bless you all. See, my egg is ready. Simple and delicious. You can enjoy this for breakfast, for dinner, and for lunch. Dodo is ready. Egg sauce is ready. Just gonna dish it out. Thank you for watching. Please help me to share. Thank you. And see you in my next video. Bye. Came so delicious.